Hello everyone. In the video, we are going to cover 5 best indoor grill reviews in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our best pick is Cuisinart Electric Griddler 5. Featuring reversible nonstick plates, this electric grill from Cuisinart is an endlessly versatile machine. It has a sleek contemporary design and is used as a contact grill, panini press, full griddle and half grill/half griddle for endless options. When using the grill plates, you can char everything from zucchini planks and chicken breasts to burgers and steaks. You can also grill foods on contact, which is ideal for delicate foods like fish and asparagus, or use the panini press function to bring your sandwich game to the next level. And when your brunch plans call for pancakes and eggs, simply flip the non-stick plates over to the griddle side. The grill includes an LCD display and user-friendly digital controls, plus the dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. Adjustable temperatures from 175 to 450 degrees with a sear function. Removable and reversible dishwasher safe non-stick cooking plates that store easily, dishwasher safe scraping tool for easy cleanup, instruction manual and gourmet recipes for your enjoyment. Number 2. Our second best pick is Hamilton Beach Electric Indoor Grill. Grill your favorite foods year-round in any weather with this indoor grill. There's no need for a bulky, time-consuming outdoor grill that needs propane, charcoal or lighter fluid to heat up. The high searing heat of 450 degrees Fahrenheit 232 degrees Celsius locks in juices and flavors to provide perfect grilling results for everything you sear on this electric grill, from steak and burgers to pork chops and fish fillets. This indoor grill with hood comes with a convenient window, and the lid lets you watch food cook while keeping heat inside. The non-stick grilling plate keeps food from sticking to this indoor electric grill as you cook and is removable and dishwasher safe, so there's no more endless scraping to remove stuck on food. The tray fits right underneath the cooking surface, which directs drips into the tray as you grill, catching juices before they spill. After cooking, it slides out for easy cleanup in the dishwasher. Grill chicken, fish, pizza, vegetables, fruit and more. Also great for paleo and keto diets. Number 3. Our third best pick is Power XL Smokeless Electric Grill. Outdoor Barbecue Grill Taste XL, 13, 75 inches by 8 inches, indoor grilling surface is big enough for your barbecue party. Grill 3 entire racks of ribs, 8 large burgers, or grill your protein and vegetables together for an entire meal all at one time in any weather. You can even grill an entire chicken spatchcock style. Super non-stick ceramic tech coating means you don't have to add any extra fat or oil. Even delicate fish never sticks to the surface, there's never any residue to scrape off after. The oil drip tray sits below, catching fat and grease from cooking. You get mouth-watering grilled meals for your entire family all in one portable, easy-to-clean unit. Removable grill plate. The ceramic tech grill plate is dishwasher safe and lifts out easily for effortless cleaning and easy storage. Just pop it in the dishwasher and you're all set. You'll never get stuck cleaning for hours in the kitchen after dinner. LED smart temperature control up to 450 degrees custom heat control. Get the correct temperature you need for the perfect amount of doneness you want. Rapid, even heating from edge to edge keeps foods tender without overcooking. Char grill steaks on high to lock in the juices, or slow grill pizza crust, veggies, or grilled cheese to a golden crisp. You can even grill straight from frozen. Turbo extraction fan enjoys smokeless grilling indoors. Virtually all smoke is captured, so you can transform your kitchen countertop or indoor cooking space into an open grill station. No more firing up your barbecue grill or scraping and scrubbing after. Grill indoors and enjoy your favorite porterhouse for dinner any day of the year. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Elite Gourmet Electric Tabletop Grill. Enjoy all the fun of an outdoor barbecue in the comfort of your home with our premium indoor electric grill. Prepare the most mouth-watering, delicious barbecue-style gourmet meals for your family, indoors. Now you can throw steaks, veggies, ribs or your favorite cut of salmon on the 11-inch grilling surface. And thanks to its reliable nonstick coating, you'll never have to deal with stuck food again. Plus, there's a removable 120V/1400W thermostat control with adjustable settings up to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. This indoor grill features a circular heating element that allows it to heat up faster and more evenly, so you can cook everything to perfection. Fat will drip away from your food through the grilling channels, and a cool touch base and amp handles help to prevent nasty burns. Number 5. Our 5th best pick is Hamilton Beach Steak Lovers Indoor Grill. Grill steaks and all your favorite foods year-round in any weather with this indoor grill. There's no need for a bulky, time-consuming outdoor grill that needs propane, charcoal or lighter fluid to heat up. The 100 square in. A non-stick cooking surface on the indoor electric grill has plenty of space for cooking a variety of meats, veggies or panini sandwiches. Just press the illuminated sear button to sear meats and vegetables at 500 degrees Fahrenheit 260 degrees Celsius for perfect results every time. The grill sears then automatically switches to your selected grilling temperature. Not only will you get meals on the table fast when you cook on this grill, the food will taste great. The grill sears meats like beef, fish and chicken for most tender results in maximum flavor. The non-stick grilling plates keeps food from sticking as you cook and is easy to wipe clean after it cools, and the drip tray goes right in the dishwasher. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.